We were doing a spray operation on I-82 around the Zilla area. It was a left lane operation, so I was in the TMA buffering for the spray rig. Left lane was closed, and I had my arrows on trying to push people over. And this young lady didn't want to be in the back of the line, so she decided to try to pass, I think it was somewhere up around 6 vehicles, to try to get around everyone. And then while she was trying to do that is when she hit the tail end of our TMA. I got out of the rig, checked on her, and she was, she was fine, shooken up naturally. I was, mildly surprised on how well the TMA took the impact really well. She was probably doing 65, and I was doing 15 miles an hour maybe. I've only been with the state, maybe 3 months, 4 months at that time. My first incident with a car. You think you have all the proper signage up. You've got a forewarner, you've got a TMA with arrows. I mean, you think nothing could happen, everything's gonna be fine. And then out of the blue, you just have that one car that just, hits you. It just comes out of nowhere. What can you do? You can't go anywhere. You're in that lane, you're protecting a vehicle in front of you. So end result, they hit you. I definitely look in the mirrors a lot more than I normally would as a driver. I keep my head on a swivel a lot more because I try to, expect the unexpected more or less, because you never know. One, slow down. Two, be more aware of what's going on around you, and that the crews that are on the road working, they have families that they want to go home to as well, and to just try to take their time, to not be in such a hurry. They're going to get where they're going eventually. It may take them a few extra minutes, but hopefully no one's going to get injured in the event.